Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple Gmail accounts. Let's begin. First, I want you to go ahead and open your browser, alright, and head to Gmail or just the home page. Click on your profile icon on the top right over here, and then you will have the option to add another account. Click on that, okay? Then it might ask you to sign in, but what we're after is to create multiple accounts. Click here, create account, and make sure to select for my personal use only. Okay. Then just enter the basic information that you will acquire, your first, last name, choose a username for your for your new Gmail address. If it's taken, try Google suggestions or create your own variation. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, then confirm it in the second field. Add a phone number or recovery email, then complete any verification steps and make sure to accept all of Google's terms. And you can do it. What I mean is, you have successfully created another account. And now, what you need to do is just repeat these steps to create as many accounts as you need. You don't really need to add phone numbers or recovery emails right away. You can just create them and you can add those later on, or you can do that as an optional for your recovery or security purposes. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.